Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So here we actually do not see really big changes compared to recent session. Just a few moments to comment. Comparison euro currency, we see a bit different background. So if on euro currency we see bearish trend on the daily chart and in general bearish performance suggesting the strength in the dollar, on the gold market we do not see it. So when the euro currency was dropping here at this moment, gold was running up. So here we have opposite performance of the dollar and of the gold. So in general, or better to say, not the dollar or euro. So it means that, as we have mentioned yesterday, that as gold as dollar are rising together, this is a sign of the political risks. Usually this happens on moments and the situation where investors are start running into the safe haven, searching some safety, and buying together the gold and United States dollar. And recent performance, it also stands opposite. So if dollar recently has shown some minor signs of weakness and we see the background pullback, for example, on the euro currency as we discussed in the previous video today, we see pullback here. On the dollar, you see on the gold you see different action. It's vice versa. Gold shows downside action as well. So, but anyway, this action is very small by far, and we are still do not see any reasons to cancel this OP target. In general, the context on daily chart stands bullish. So trend stands bullish, market stands above the 1852 area, so showing some minor bounce there, and we not at overbought, and we have no actual reasons to cancel this setup, and just no bearish signs here exist actually. From that standpoint, if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, let's take a look. Market totally completing our suggestion recently. We said keep an eye on two levels, 1840, 1850. These two levels should hold downside retracement, and that in turn will hold bullish context valid. Currently, we see very gradual, slow ABCD shape retracement down that creates the actual agreement with the 1840 support. That's perfect situation for the bullish context. Market will retest this previous consolidation with this ABCD pattern right around the confidence support area, and simultaneously it will form this pretty looking garter steeple to buy pattern. So from that standpoint, we do not see any reasons to actually cancel currently the bullish context, although on the euro currency situation stands different. So based on the short Napoli approach, we should fade bearish hourly trend around against the strong support area and against the daily trend. So because daily trend is more important, this is the real direction. So on the hourly chart, this trade we are fading around strong confidence support, where we will consider taking the long position. So the ways to take position could be different. So you could buy right at the confidence, you could wait for the market will turn up and then trying to buy on the minor retracement, which calls by the Jordan Napoli Minesweeper A tactic of the entry. But in general, in common, the idea stands as we have just mentioned. So we're waiting for completion this ABCD confidence support, and that's supposedly, if nothing will happen on some data release on the ADP and non-farm payrolls tomorrow. So that's currently our plan. So we're watching for this level for a possible upward bounce where gold could reestablish upward action.